Everyone's been asking, what are my favorite shaving soaps? And I gotta say, right now, I'm stuck on this Woods and Spices. I am so stuck on this, brother. This is the Ultima formula, but their vegan formula is good too, which, you know, I have that product too, which I like that. But this scent is really I'm really getting a lot of good compliments with this aftershave as well. I'm just having great success with it. Another one of my favorites is Shannon shaving soaps. This stuff right here, gosh, this barbershop, man, it just smells so good, really good. And the reason why I like both of these so far, because how slick they are and how easy it is for me to lather up my face, which is important to me. I need something slick because I have, you know, really sensitive skin. A newcomer to the game is Bundubeard. This stuff right here, and I've got, you know, I've got quite a few of these to go through yet, but this stuff right here is so slick, and I'm digging the aftershaves. You know, you just take a piece of it out, rub it in your hands till it gets warm or hot, and put it on your face like Miyagi said. What I can say to you, if you're new to, you know, using a shaving brush, I suggest using your shaving brush and your shaving cream or soap at night and wash your face with it. I mean, literally, I do that at night. I take at night instead of, you know, using some skincare products. We're spending a ton of money on these soaps, right? And they all have really good ingredients. So if you're suffering from, you know, skin irritation or, you know, not a perfect complexion, this is a good way to go with this stuff at night to practice on how to lather. But man, I gotta tell you, for my bald head, my skin hasn't looked any cleaner ever. And I give it credit to using this brush at night with my shaving soap, and I'm practicing, but I'm also getting really good results on my complexion. I do it all the time. I've suggested that to other people that have made comments and, you know, that have made comments down below, and I do that. Like, especially when I was new, I'm like, all right, I'm just gonna practice, because this soap goes so far. And I know people, hell, right now I probably have 20 different cans of soap. So, I mean, they last forever. You might as well go through them, help your skin out, do yourself a favor, really learn how to lather, and that's my tip of the day.